everybody. I just wanted to make another video about the vertical stripes. This technique actually is called pick and pick. Thank you for the people that were telling me this, because I didn't know actually. So let's just see how it works. So what I want to explain is I ended up with a weft in this direction. I'll just introduce my blue color from the left and I just go in the same direction of the violet, okay? What we are gonna do is, since now we have to start with the violet, that means that the violet will go over the blue in this way, okay? And then again but the violet color will turn. First it goes over the blue and then it will turn back like this. And then let's just go in the opposite direction. Okay. Then the blue color is gonna just follow the violet, and the blue will go in the same direction. Here you go. Now here again. So the violet goes up and then it turns back. Now if we just want to change position and place the violet over the blue, we just pass another time with the violet. Okay, I just place this behind. I want to show you another way to make your weaving a bit more interesting, and this could be like using the Chiné technique while you're doing pick and pick. Here I have 3 strands of violet and 3 strands of blue. So we just, instead of the pure violet, we just keep with the mixed color weft. So we just go like this. You can also cut it in between. Let's do that, for example. Place it back and start again with the pure violet, so you can have some interruptions of colors. So as you can see, I've used as always the blue, but I use the Chiné technique, and this effect that you can have. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll show you on the next one how to make different kind of hatchings. Just keep in touch and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.